Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to start affiliate marketing in 2019 for 100% free, and that's even if you're a beginner, if you're a teenager, it doesn't matter who you are, you have absolutely no money. This is how you're going to be able to spend $0 and make some money online. So with that being said, cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's dive straight into it. So the very first thing that you want to do if you're just starting out is you want to sign up to Amazon Associates. Again, this is 100% free, so don't worry about spending any money. So the very first thing that you're going to do is sign up to the Associates program, which is affiliate marketing by Amazon. So you just sign up. It's very step by step. It's not very complicated. And once you've signed up to that program, you will be able to click on a button that says get link on any article that's on Amazon. Anything that's available on Amazon, you'll be able to sign up to that and get a custom link. And if somebody clicks on your link, Amazon will know that and you will get a commission from that. So it really depends on how big the article is, and the commissions vary from article to article, so you just have to choose anything so that you can actually start to make some money. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to find a product that's on Amazon but you've already bought from Amazon. This can be years ago, it doesn't matter, something that's lying around your house. For example, I have some lighting right here. I bought that on Amazon, so I could do that. So you choose an article, it doesn't matter, some kind of product that's lying around your house that you use, and you just do a review on it. You just tell people what it's good for, what it's not good for, what it does. Just do an honest review of anything that you have. You do that on YouTube, you just post that and you put the affiliate link in there. The affiliate link which you got from Amazon Associates. And with that, people who actually click on that link are very interested in buying. Like, they have a buyer's intent from the start, because if you put the right title, which would be something like XYZ review, then people will probably want to click on that. So a lot of people are making so much money, hundreds of thousands of dollars, like just doing that, exactly that, just doing reviews of anything that they have, and then they get some more stuff and it just keeps piling up, and they have 500,000 subscribers. So they are making a ton of money out of that. So you're going to tell me, I don't have any subscribers, I don't even have a channel right now, how am I supposed to do this? Well, here's the thing, the people who have 500,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers, 10 million subscribers, they all started with 0 subscribers. So you just have to get into it. Like, will your first video make some sales? Maybe, maybe not. There's a good chance it won't actually. But if you start being consistent and just find things all over your house, whether it's your TV, your computer, anything that you find, there is literally anything on Amazon. So there's a good chance that you have a ton of products that people can buy on Amazon. So you just have to be consistent and just post videos all the time, reviewing things, and that's how you can scale to 6 or 7 figures even, just by reviewing products and not even showing your face. So that is a very good way to do it, but you just have to stay consistent and not give up, because so many people, like most of the people, will not make it, and that's because they give up too early. So don't give up and just keep going. So this was my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure that you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I put a video out, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.